In this module, we'll discuss the proper method for preparing and shipping body panels, doors, fenders, hoods, and bumpers.
First, inspection and cleaning. Confirm part description and interchange information on work order matches the part and any special instructions have been completed. Check other assembly components. For hoods, ensure underside heat shield is intact. Hinges are not included unless otherwise specified. Latch is to be included. Check for bends and rust. Aftermarket shields, guards, road rash protection must be removed unless inventoried as such. For doors, the handle is to be included and working unless otherwise noted. Hinges are to be included unless welded or otherwise noted. Door trim panels and the door switches are not required to be included. Mirrors are not included and should not be shipped attached to doors. Rain guards are to be removed unless inventoried with rain guards. For deck lids and tailgates, ensure lighting is intact and described accordingly. Hinges are to be included unless otherwise noted. Fenders are not required to include liners unless otherwise noted. If included, liners should be 100% intact. Bumper assemblies should include rebar and absorber, if applicable, grills, and lighting.
Any loose, broken glass in assemblies must be removed prior to sale. Remnants must be covered using duct tape to prevent harm while handling. Remove all stickers, tape, and glue residue. Small typical dealership decals are okay to leave. Remove any other cosmetic aftermarket materials, including decorative air dams, window rain guards, window tinting, and fender flares. Thoroughly wash and degrease body components inside and out. Trim panels and other interior components included in assemblies must be cleaned and free of trash and debris.
Tagging and identification. Ensure the stock number is written in an inconspicuous place. Shipping. Large oversized body panels may be shipped using appropriately sized pallets if desired. Any door or tailgate which fits inside panel armor must be shipped as such, unless panel armor is not available. In the absence of panel armor, completely pad and wrap the part. Fenders, deck lids, and hoods are required to be wrapped for shipping to ensure maximum protection while traveling on the trailering system.
Use a pallet that is appropriately sized to match the part being shipped. Avoid using pallets that are too big as they needlessly take up transportation space. To protect parts from side impact damage during transportation, body parts should not be overhanging the sides of the pallet.
Use no fewer than 2 binding straps to secure the part to the pallet. Use a buffer like cardboard or styrofoam to prevent the strap from damaging painted surfaces or glass.
Emily, this door is fully prepped and ready to be shipped. What considerations do we need to take?
I would say first make sure it's cleaned, everything's in good condition, make sure that the work order notes have been gone over and read, and also that it's the proper box size, proper strength as well. These are heavier parts, so we want to prevent them from falling out of the bottom and damaging them. Make sure there's a lot of packing in the bottom so that those edges and corners are going to arrive to our customer in good condition. Also, a good suggestion, you don't have to, is to put some bands on here. This kind of keeps everything intact and making sure that it's going to arrive there like our customer expects it to.
Thank you, Emily. Thanks for watching and stay safe.